In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Paperform with Zendesk. This process can be incredibly useful for streamlining your customer support processes by seamlessly transferring data between these two platforms. Let's get started, and I'll walk you through each step in detail. First, you'll want to navigate to your Zendesk Admin Center homepage. This is where all your administrative tasks are managed, and it's the starting point for our integration journey. Once you're there, take a look at the left sidebar. You'll see a variety of options, but the one we're interested in today is labeled Apps and Integrations. Go ahead and click on that. It's crucial because this section allows you to connect Zendesk with a whole host of useful applications, including Paperform. With the Apps and Integrations section open, you should now see the option to Upload Private App. This is the button that will allow us to bring Paperform into the Zendesk ecosystem. Clicking on Upload Private App is the next step, and it's a straightforward process. This feature is designed to give you the flexibility to add custom apps to your Zendesk environment, which can be particularly beneficial for tailoring the system to your specific needs. Now, the final step is to upload your Paperform file. This is the file that contains the necessary information for Zendesk to recognize Paperform as an integrated app. Simply locate the file on your computer and then drag and drop it into the Upload section, or use the File selector to find and upload it. Once the file is uploaded, the integration process is complete. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Paperform with Zendesk. This integration will now allow you to effortlessly manage and streamline your form submissions directly from Zendesk, enhancing your ability to provide top-notch customer service. As a quick tip, always ensure your Paperform file is up to date before starting the upload process. It's also a good idea to double-check all settings in both Paperform and Zendesk to ensure everything is configured to meet your specific needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. By following these simple steps, you can easily integrate Paperform with Zendesk, improving your workflow and customer support capabilities. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Have a great day!